Guys, I wanted to give you an up-close look at this heat and massager pad that I received from the company that's good for your knee. I personally can use it on my arm, which I like too. My husband has problems with his knees, so he's been using it. What I do like about this is that it's really simple. So, my dad, if he needs some extra support, I feel like this is a great thing for him to have because it's not complicated. It's pretty straightforward, which I like. I think less is more sometimes when it comes to these things. It gets really hot, but that's like a really good thing. It does crank up to a really high level of heat, which I love. Sometimes I feel like they don't get hot enough, some of these things. And then it has different levels of massage on it. And then when you put it on your knee, the dial and everything, the buttons are facing you. So you don't have to like twist or like go in a mirror or anything. You could see it. It is rechargeable, so that's another piece. It does not need to be plugged in when you're operating it. So that's awesome. You can charge it and then just put it on, put the heat on, put the massage on if you want that, and then go about your day and have that relief. There's timers on here too, so you could set a timer, to know that you're getting a certain level of treatment each time you use it. So all really powerful, great options. So I just wanted to give you a close look of how it works. So there's your power button, your heat. Again, it gets really hot. And then your vibration, the massager. So there's 3 different modes there as well. So super straightforward, which is what I am looking for. The Velcro itself is like really strong. Sometimes I receive a lot of these type of products, and sometimes the Velcro doesn't like stick that great, and then it's gonna slide around. This, I'm not like, it is a strong Velcro, so that is really great about it, and definitely useful. So you don't have to worry about it like sliding or moving around. So I think that's really important. And then this material that's gonna go against your skin, or like I'll use it with like tight leggings on. It feels nice though. It's not rough. It doesn't hurt or anything like that. It's just like a nice material. So, and then this part is like stretchy. So it's going to like bend where you need it to. So all around, really nice product. Definitely recommend it. It comes with the charger. So, if you need a charger, it does come with that. Really happy with this product, and I definitely recommend it to anybody that needs some extra support like this.